Hello and thanks for watching. HIT is an integrated online selection tool that makes your job easier with easy product selection, the ability to find replacement parts, the ability to create and manage projects, as well as order products. All of this is made easy through HIT. In this video, you'll learn how to size and select a piping package using HIT's built-in logic for a half-inch pressure-independent control valve. First, let's take a quick review of HIT's features. Product selection is made easy through a wide range of calculators and filters to help you quickly find the product you're looking for. The replacement guide makes it easy to find replacement products for competitive or obsolete Siemens products. The project functionality allows you to create and manage projects, as well as compile submittal documentation for faster bidding. And finally, the ability to send a shopping cart directly to Siemens Industry Mall. Now let's go back to our demo. Let's find the piping package for a half-inch valve with a GPM of 3 and a tolerance of 20%. You can see in the results, we begin to see products that are offered with a piping package. Let's add a few more filters to refine our results. Let's open the valve parameters and select two-way normally open valves. And let's also select piping package products. Our results are now down to two options. Note that we have the option to look at a valve and actuator assembly. But in this case, we're interested in the piping package. We now have three options for the piping package. Let's pick one with a hose and let's make it a 12-inch hose. We now have a result for one part number. We can see in the full description that the piping package includes the valve and actuator, and it's fully assembled, including a strainer, isolation valve, air vent, and connection hoses are provided. In addition, documentation for the product can be quickly downloaded. Details on the technical specifications can be viewed. You can also look at the valve and actuator assembly. Users can add to their shopping cart, add to an existing project, or add to their favorites. List price information and warranty is also conveniently provided. From product selection through ordering, the process is easy and intuitive with built-in logic, saving you time and money. Please take advantage of HIT on your next piping project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to optimize your HIT experience by checking out all our demonstration videos on the Siemens YouTube channel by navigating to the HIT playlist.